How to find removed games on Facebook Mobile. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find removed games on Facebook Mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now just go down until you find this one, games. Click on it and then click remove it, and as you see here you can find some removed games. I don't have any removed games to review, but you can find some games here, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.